There is a lot of people who can't afford education due to lack of money and resources. Online education is blessing for such people. That's why we started Course on Demand. It is an educational YouTube channel where we provide entire courses for free. You can learn top skills, mainly development and programming course, which are enough to build foundational base and give you career and instant growth. Whether you are beginners or expert, we provide everything from A to Z. New contents are uploaded to our channel almost every day. We wish you best of luck to you. Happy learning!